Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect GitHub to Lovable.dev Web App. To begin, open Lovable and go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the account and workspace settings needed to connect GitHub. Make sure you're already signed into your Lovable account before continuing so the setup goes smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left area of the screen and open the Profile Account drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to account-related options, including the settings area where integrations are managed. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to look for your account or profile icon in that upper section. After opening the drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage different parts of your Lovable workspace. Settings is where important connection options are organized, so this is the place to go anytime you need to update integrations or account configurations. Inside Settings, click on Git. The Git section is where repository connections and version control integrations are handled. Since GitHub is one of the available connection options, this is the next step toward linking your account. From there, select GitHub. This opens the GitHub connection page in Lovable, where you can review or create a new connection. If this is your first time setting it up, the page may appear mostly empty, aside from the option to begin the connection process. Next, click Add Connection. This tells Lovable that you want to create a new GitHub integration. It's the action that starts linking the app to your GitHub account so the two platforms can work together. After that, click Add Account. At this stage, Lovable will begin the authorization flow for GitHub. In most cases, this opens the sign-in or permission process that allows GitHub and Lovable to connect securely. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on whether you're already signed into GitHub or whether GitHub asks you to approve permissions. Read each screen carefully and approve the requested access if it matches what you intend to connect. Once completed, your GitHub account should be linked to Lovable Dev and ready to use. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting GitHub to Lovable Dev Web App.